the scriptures? Prepare to test your biblical knowledge in a challenge few can complete.
God's initial command sent Jonah to the city of Nineveh. Instead of obeying God, Jonah fled towards Tarshish. Jonah began his journey by boarding a ship in the port of Joppa. To reveal who was at fault, the sailors decided to cast lots. While the storm raged, the sailors found Jonah fast asleep. Jonah told the sailors the storm would stop if they threw him into the sea. After the sea calmed, the sailors' reaction was great fear of the Lord. The creature God sent to rescue Jonah was a great fish. Jonah's time spent inside the great fish was 3 days and 3 nights. Jonah's prayer from inside the fish is one of thanksgiving for salvation. The final action of the great fish was to vomit Jonah onto dry land. The prophet Jonah was the son of Amittai. The great storm at sea was sent by the Lord. The first thing the sailors did during the storm
You're doing great!
cried out to their own gods. Before throwing him overboard, the sailors first tried to row back to land. God described Nineveh to Jonah as a great and wicked city. To get on the ship, Jonah had to first pay the fare. In his prayer, Jonah says, salvation comes from the Lord. After Jonah was delivered, God gave him the same command again. The sailors offered what after the sea was calm? A sacrifice to the Lord. The purpose of casting lots was to find the person causing trouble. Jonah's prayer mentions being in the belly of Sheol, the grave. The story's next major event after the fish is Jonah's journey to Nineveh. Jonah's message to Nineveh was that the city would be overthrown in 40 days. The size of the city of Nineveh was a 3-day journey. The first to believe Jonah's message in Nineveh, the people of the city. As a sign of repentance, the king of Nineveh wore sackcloth and sat in dust. The king's decree ordered a fast for all people and animals. Seeing their repentance, God's reaction was to relent and not bring disaster. Jonah's personal feeling about God's mercy was
Don't give up now.
great anger. After his preaching, Jonah went to a place east of the city. To give Jonah comfort, God provided a leafy plant for shade. The leafy plant that gave Jonah shade was destroyed by a worm. Jonah's main complaint to God was that he is gracious and compassionate. After the plant died, God sent what to bother Jonah? A scorching east wind. In his anger about the plant, Jonah wished to die. God used the plant to teach Jonah a lesson about his own compassion. The people of Nineveh proclaimed Dash. Fast. The king of Nineveh stepped down from his throne. Jonah entered Nineveh and walked for one day. The book of Jonah ends with a question from God. God noted Nineveh had many people who could not tell their right from their left. Jonah's reaction to the plant's growth was exceeding gladness. The reason God spared Nineveh was because they turned from their evil ways. Jonah built what to watch the city from? A shelter. The king's decree called for the people to call on God urgently. The number of people in Nineveh was more than 120,000. The ship's crew tried to save Jonah by first rowing hard to shore. A sign of true repentance from Nineveh's king was removing his royal robe. The book of Jonah concludes with a question about God's compassion. Jonah's prayer in chapter 2 shows he recognized God's sovereign power. The king's decree commanded everyone to give up their evil ways and violence. God's reason for providing the plant was to ease Jonah's discomfort. God compares Jonah's pity for the plant to his own? Concern for Nineveh's people. The city of Nineveh was described as being exceedingly great. The great fish was prepared by whom? The Lord. When the worm attacked the plant, it withered. The people of Nineveh's repentance was shown by fasting and wearing sackcloth. Jonah's prayer acknowledged he was in the heart of the seas. The second time God called Jonah repeated the first command. The ship's captain asked Jonah to do what during the storm? Pray to his God. A surprising element of the king's decree was that even the animals must fast. Jonah's main emotion after Nineveh was spared? Anger. The final lesson of the book of Jonah is about God's universal compassion. Jonah knew God was gracious, which is why he fled in the first place. The scorching wind came from which direction? The east. In the end, the fate of Nineveh was that it was spared by God. After the sea calmed, the sailors made vows to the Lord. In his prayer, Jonah felt as if he was banished from God's sight. While waiting to see Nineveh's fate, Jonah sat in a shelter he had made. God noted Jonah cared for a plant that he did not tend or make grow. What is the theological significance of Jonah's 3 days inside the fish? Prefigures Christ's resurrection. How does the book of Jonah demonstrate God's universal concern for all nations? Through God's mercy toward Israel's enemies. What is the primary literary structure that frames the Book of Jonah? A narrative of disobedience followed by
Congratulations! You've completed the Holy Quest. Subscribe for more epic challenges.